In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn in your work. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your photographs in Bridge. Click on the Start window, go to Adobe Master Collection, and open up in Bridge. So this will, now you're looking at the photographs that are in my H drive. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this image. I'm going to double click on it in the Content window. This will open it in Photoshop. So here's the image. The first thing you're going to do is you're always going to be cropping your images and turning them in with a dimension of 8.5 by 11, resolution 150. So go to your crop tool. You can see that I already have those dimensions up here. With the crop tool, you always have to select the tool and then drag over your image to actually crop your image. So you can see that this photograph is a portrait. If it was a landscape orientation, you would have to switch your numbers. And you can just click on the arrow these two arrows, which will switch the numbers. You can see when I drag over, now that would crop it like it's a portrait, but we don't want it for this particular photograph. So go ahead and switch those numbers back, drag over and crop your image. Once you have that crop set, you need to push Enter, or you can select the check mark there. So press Enter. That's going to crop it down. If you want to double check if you've cropped it correctly, go up to Image Size, and it will show you the dimensions right here. The width is 11, the height is 8.5, and the resolution is 150. So I can cancel out of that. Once I have the image in the right size, I'm going to go File, Save As, and then we're going to go ahead and navigate this PC. I'm going to go to my H drive, Digital Photo 1.2, into my photos. Actually, let's back up. Now we're going to put this in the project folder. So I've already got it titled correctly. You're always going to want to title your image, your last name, first name, and then the dash project name. For this one, I'm just going to come up with first photo, and then save it into here. Click OK. Now I want to minimize Photoshop and Bridge, and at this point I've only saved the photograph into my H drive. So go to File, Explore. Don't use the recent files. For some reason this isn't really the file, it's just a link to it. You have to go and navigate to this PC, your H drive, Digital Photo 1.2. Sorry, we went into Projects. Projects, and there's my image. So I've identified the image that I need to turn in. To make a new window, push Control N and drag that window over here. On this one, we're going to go to this PC. Now we're going to go into the iDrive. For you guys, I believe it's the backpack. You're going to go into In and Out folders. Find my name. If you push M here, it'll take you down. The key, turn in. Find the folder that corresponds to your class. First photo, click on that, and then identify your photograph here and drag it into there. And you can see that it shows. So that is how you turn in images into the iDrive for me to grade.